Welcome back, my friends, and happy Saturday. I hope everyone is enjoying the weekend so far. I'll keep today's video really quick, but this is Lindsay coming back at you with another non-phone work from home job lead. Now, the company Real Self is hiring a content moderator. So as a content moderator, you'll be responsible for ensuring that user-generated content, including reviews of medical procedures and doctors, questions, and discussion forums, are moderated and published in real time, allowing Real Self community members to make smarter, informed decisions about their healthcare choices. But because this is related to healthcare, you want to make sure they are not getting false and fraudulent information. So that is where a moderator comes in. They review user submitted content to make sure that it meets the Real Self guidelines. You'll have to reach out and contact customers and help them clarify any inappropriate content. You'll maintain empathy for the customer experience, providing the guidelines have an easy, personal, and trusted experience. You'll meet and exceed personal and team metrics of processing times, quality, volume, and more. So you'll be categorizing and tagging content so users can easily find what they need. You'll have to safeguard the community against spam and scams and content that violates the guidelines. So any customer support you do, you'll support the customers through chat and email, and you'll summarize and escalate any issues to the management team. Now, this is a fully remote work from home position for my United States folks only. They do not require any college degree. They just require that you have the ability to focus on a repetitive task for several hours. So you will literally just have your guidelines and keep reviewing content over and over. Yes, it meets the guidelines, and no, it doesn't. You'll need time management skills, so you make sure you get things done in a timely fashion. You'll need fast reading comprehension skills, great written and verbal communication skills, the ability to type data entry skills, and you need the ability to be able to remember things and retain information. Now, unfortunately, this job does not list the pay. You will have to ask that at the time of the interview. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for, as I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.